I'm Andrew Beaulieu from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and I'm the proud owner of a company called Bold Moves Coaching and Consulting. At Bold Moves, I have the privilege of helping organizations around the world, whether they work remotely, in person, or a mix of both, to develop their leadership teams and create positive, thriving corporate cultures. I'm passionate about organizational development because we spend a significant portion, around a third of our lives, focused on our professional careers. So it's crucial that we're not only productive and engaged, but we're also enjoying what we do, who we're working with, and finding meaning and purpose in our careers. I grew up surrounded by business. My father was an entrepreneur. He started his own company from our dining room table when I was very young. And watching him give everything he had to make it succeed was really inspiring to me. That led me down my own entrepreneurial path, starting my first business at 19, working in residential property management with my siblings, and eventually becoming an owner-operator of that very same business my father started all those years ago. I'm a servant leader at heart. It's always been my priority to make sure that the people I work with feel safe, supported, and have everything they need to thrive, both personally and professionally. As leaders, we need to slow things down and take the time to connect with our teams and be present for them. They're the heartbeat of our organizations. And so that's why this is my passion. That is what drives me to help organizations find that sweet spot between success and fulfillment by leading with a human-centric approach.